best place you've been to. My business. Every time I go there, my skin glows, my mind grows. It's free to stay there, and
so
it's
guys,
made.
Today's video is basically for those of you that have been complaining to me on my DM that products hardly work on you. No matter what you use, it's not working on you. Guys, this video is for you, so you have to watch this video to the end, okay? But before that, if today is your first time of stopping by, you're highly welcome. Yeah, you're highly welcome. My name is Fresh Beauty World. Okay, so go ahead and subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell below so you'll be the first to be notified each time we drop a video. And to my old subscribers, guys, you guys are so amazing. You guys are the best. God bless you, your family, your business, whatsoever you do. As in, I pray for more customers, connection, east, west, south, and north. Guys, thank you so much. I really appreciate. And to my customers, guys, I'm very grateful. Guys, this 1 year anniversary was hey, I pack order. Today's Thursday, I have to, give what does not belong to this person to the person. You understand? So easy. Like, the order is huge. Guys, I owe you guys a lot. Like, I owe you guys a lot. Thank you so much, guys. I really appreciate you guys are the best, guys. I don't know how to start. I don't know how to start saying thank you. I don't know how to start appreciating you guys. I don't know how to start, like, I'm grateful. That's just it. I'm grateful, and God will reward you guys one after the other. And my birthday is December 20th, and yeah, of course we're gonna have another sales. Yeah, we're gonna have another sales, and this sales, if you buy a product worth 70,000 naira upward, you will stand a chance to get a ring light. Yeah, you had me right, Abby. If you purchase a product worth 70,000 naira upward, you stand a chance to get ring light just for 10 people that will first buy. Okay, so that is just it. You guys know how expensive ring light is, right? But I want to give it to you guys to show how grateful I am. Okay, so guys, in today's video, I'm gonna share with you guys how you can mix these 3 items here to whiten up your skin, no matter how stubborn your skin is. For those of you that will be like, Mama, I use Caro White, I mixed it the way you directed me, it's not working for me. Guys, I don't understand. Caro White is very active. It works a lot on people's skin. It damages a lot of skin, and you are using it, it's not even lightening you, either is it whitening you. And I think the problem is from you. Let's think of it. Yes, the problem is from you. Do you know why I say it's from you? Maybe you're among the people that you need to scrub. You said, no, I don't need to scrub. My friend is using the Caro White and she's not scrubbing. Auntie, you and your friend is not the same thing. Maybe she have a sensitive skin and you have a very stubborn and dry skin, so you can never compare you to her. Okay, so please try to scrub. And guys, before I forget, if you have not joined any of our group, our wholesale group, our resellers group, or distributor, guys, you're amazing. This year has ended, so I would advise you start planning your next year now. That money you're using to buy hair, guys, this year I don't buy any hair. I've not even buy Christmas clothes. I have not even buy Christmas clothes, not talk of hair. I've not buy any hair. Not that the money is not there. Yeah, by God's grace it is. But I've not buy any hair. That money you use and buy hair, even if it's a hair of 20,000, even if it's a hair of 25,000, guys, you use 25,000 naira to buy mulatto soap and you sell it for 4,000 naira, your gain will be like 50,000 naira on top. Oh. That means you use it to buy 2 or 3 again. If you can't sell on 5,000 naira, you're having gain of 70,000 naira almost up. Oh. Use your head. Do you understand? I just give you tip. I just give you tip now. So if I were you, I would just sit down and think about it. Christmas is just a month, and let me say just that 25th. After the after the Owambe, everything, the money will just fume. The clothes you'll be wearing it to be going to market or to go and be, marketing your whatever, all this, I don't know how to describe it. But if you use that money now, that is Xmas, you save it and use it to start up a business and use it to start reselling. Hey guys, you see, by this time next year, your life will be sweet, very sweet, more than honey. I just give you a tip. Don't mind the way I'm describing it, but They said if you know the truth will set you free. So I'm trying to tell you the truth. If you buy Mulatto soap, 5 kg, 25,000 naira. So listen very well, okay? Let me not go deep. But if you want to know more, you can chat me in. Guys, I'm available for those of you that want to start a business. Someone supported me to this extent, so I am ready, like fully ready to support anybody that is ready to, you know, do this business, that is fully ready to do this business, both training, reselling, distributor. I am ready for you, okay? So if you are ready, just let me know, okay? Just feel free. I am a free person. I answer all the questions, okay? In today's video, I'm gonna share with you guys how you can mix your Carol White lotion with Vaseline intensive care lotion with miracle powder. So this mixture is very active because miracle powder helps a lot to, you know, treat your skin like white patches, green vein, dark spots on the skin. It's a treatment powder. I call it small but mighty. And Vaseline intensive care lotion is very good. It helps a lot to moisturize and treats and damaged skin. It helps to moisturize and, you know, brighten up your skin and glow your skin, okay? So it's very important. And if you want to get the best one, please try to have a right vendor, okay? So you get the original one, you understand? And you guys know that Carol White lotion is a very active lotion that helps to whitening up your skin, okay? This lotion is cool, but a lot of people target a harsh product. It's not really that harsh, it's just the way you use it, like I always tell you guys. And guys, if you want this mixture to work for you perfectly, try as much as possible to exfoliate your skin at least 2 times in a week, okay? Carol White lotion, you need your Carol White lotion for this production. Guys, these 3 items is very active, most especially because of the miracle powder inside. Miracle powder is a treatment powder. It's not a lightening, it's not a brightening, it's a treatment, okay? So anything at all for knuckles, it has a lot to treat knuckles, dark spots, green vein, white patches, stretch mark. That is why I include it here. So if you're the type of person that have dark spots all over your body, if you just mix this Carol White lotion and Vaseline intensive white to use, it's just going to, you know, whiten up your skin and make the dark spot on your skin very obvious, okay? So but adding this miracle powder into it will help to treat your skin at the same time, okay? Guys, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please try to subscribe to my channel. Like, you're not gonna regret it because we drop video on this channel every day, and it's something you need to, you know, like if you're interested on getting this glowing, spotless and flawless skin, you need to subscribe to this channel because we give tip every blessed day. So you get a new tip on this channel every day, okay? So just get your mixing bowl as usual. You guys know that, yeah, you pour in your Vaseline intensive white, then you get your Carol White lotion, the cup. There's this cup one, yeah, the cup one, just get it. I think it's 500 naira in the market. Yeah, just get the small cup one and pour it inside your mixing bowl and get a miracle powder, okay? Miracle powder, just and add a pinch of miracle powder, the one you think is enough for the production, okay? Just add a pinch of miracle powder. Remember guys, this powder is very active. Even if you add just little, it's active, okay? So do not go and pour everything, though it's very small, okay? So it's just depending on you. So pour in a pinch of miracle powder and mix this lotion together, okay? Guys, this will help a lot to treat your skin, green vein, stretch mark. Yes, I'm not joking, it works because of this miracle powder and Vaseline intensive white, okay? So if you're the type of person that find it very difficult to achieve this lightening and glowing or whitening skin, just try this mixture. It's very active. So after mixing these 3 items together, you mix it very well. And you guys know how to use lotion, right? This kind of lotion, at least even if you have not benefited anything from this channel, you knowing how to use lotion is very good, because you know you can get a best lotion in this world, but if you're not using it in the right way, it will not work on you, okay? So it matters, okay? So as usual, you need to scrub yourself 2 times in a week, not more than 2 times in a week. Scrub your skin 2 times in a week, and then you use your lotion. For those of you that have a stubborn skin, use this lotion nights, every day. Use it every day, but only at night, and use a lightening oil. This is not a glowing. Use a lightening oil, okay, during the daytime, because the lightening oil is not going to damage your skin. Only if it's a whitening. Even if it's a whitening, that means it contains a harsh product. Okay, so just use a lightening oil in the daytime and use the lotion every day. Then if you have a sensitive skin, use this lotion 4 days and use a lightening lotion during the daytime, okay, and try to exfoliate. Please do not use this cream on your face, okay. Try to get your sunscreen as well. This sun is too much, and get your vitamin C serum to use during the daytime and face cream at night. Okay, this is just the best way to use your routine and to work perfectly on you. Okay guys, I was very black before, and you know, see my skin now, you will not believe that I was black before. Okay, so that is just it. So guys, this is the end of the video, and if you find this video very interesting, please go ahead and subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell below so you'll be the first to be notified each time we drop a video. Okay, see you in my next video. Bye.